Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the SST class. Today in chapter 10 we will learn what are natural disasters and what is mitigation. Natural disasters and mitigation. As you all know, nature is the creator, but as well as nature is also a destroyer. Nature is not only a creator of different living and non-living things, but it also destroy the things. Natural calamities are these destroyers, and they are also known as disasters. So what are the disasters? Floods, droughts, earthquakes, cyclones, tsunami. These are the disasters, and it cause great loss of life and property. Clear? So first number is floods. Floods generally occur when there is heavy rainfall, and due to heavy rainfall, what happens? Rivers overflow, and excess rain and deforestation result in soil erosion in the mountains, followed by floods in the plains. Flood cause excessive loss of life and property. Houses are washed away, cattle die in large numbers, and crops are destroyed. Death of many people because of drowning. डूबने की वजह से बहुत सारे लोगों की डेथ हो जाती है. स्नेक बाइट्स, फीवर एंड इन्फेक्शन आफ्टर अ फ्लड. डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ क्रॉप्स, अकरेंस ऑफ फेमाइन लाइक कंडीशंस. मीन्स भूखमरी सी छा जाती है. जब खाने के लिए आपको कुछ नहीं बचेगा, सब कुछ डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएगा, पूरी क्रॉप खराब हो जाएगी, तो भूखमरी छा जाती है. लॉस ऑफ जॉब्स, मिटिगेशन ऑफ पीपल टू सिटीज इन सर्च ऑफ जॉब्स. मीन्स पीपल यूज टू मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर इन सर्च ऑफ जॉब्स. द फार्मर्स आर द मेजर विक्टिम्स. सबसे बड़ा नुकसान किसको होता है? फार्मर्स का. पूरी की पूरी उनकी क्रॉप डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाती है. In India, Bihar, West Bengal and the northeastern states suffer from heavy floods due to overflowing of the rivers like Ganga and Brahmaputra every year. So these areas, people of these areas suffer every year because of floods. Now the second is drought. The excess rainfall cause flood while its scarcity cause droughts. मतलब जब पानी की बारिश की कमी हो जाती है, वो क्या होता है? ड्रॉट, सूखा पड़ जाता है. तो मीन्स excess rainfall, if excess rainfall is there, it cause flood, and if there is scarcity of rainfall, it cause drought. Now what are the results of drought? As we all know, in India, agriculture is the main occupation of 3/4 of the population. Farmers depend on the monsoon rain from June to December. Monsoon provides water for growing crops. The monsoon in India are very erratic. Sometimes they are early and other times they are late. कभी तो जल्दी बारिश आ जाती है और कभी बहुत लेट आती है. This result in the scarcity of food grains, starvation and death of large number of cattle and people. The third is cyclones. Now what are cyclones? Cyclones occur due to low pressure system towards which winds travel at great speed. The coastal belts in India are prone to cyclones. Prone मतलब means coastal belt in India are prone to cyclones, means यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा cyclones आते हैं. Between these areas experience a great difference between temperature and pressure condition on land and sea. Near the coastal seas, water level rises suddenly and lashes onto the land, destroying buildings and crops. Strong winds with speed of over 100 km per hour or more uproot trees, telephone and electric poles, and also destroy whatever comes in their way. Cyclones are more frequent in the coastal Gujarat, Odisha and West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh. In these areas, they have caused severe damage to life and property. So all natural disasters cause loss to life and property. Either it is flood, either it is drought, either it is cyclone. The next is earthquakes and landslides. Sometimes there is a sudden shaking or trembling of the earth crust. आपको भी कभी कभी ऐसा लगता होगा ना कि अरे ये सब कुछ हिल रहा है. It is called an earthquake. Earthquakes are caused by the sudden movements of vibrations within the earth. अर्थ के अंदर ही vibrations होती हैं जिसकी वजह से earthquakes आते हैं. Earthquakes of great intensity cause great damage to the life and property. Like अगर great intensity का earthquake है तो it will cause great damage, right? Our earth experiences countless earthquakes every year. Now turn your page. When a large amount of rocks debris falls from high mountains towards a lower valley, it is called a landslide. Earthquakes and landslides cause following destructions. First, houses are destroyed. People and cattle are buried alive under the debris of broken houses, rocks and bricks. Means जब earthquake आता है, बिल्डिंग की बिल्डिंग गिर जाती है, तो उससे क्या होता है कि जो जिंदा लोग हैं, जिंदा एनिमल्स हैं, वो भी उन बिल्डिंग्स के नीचे दबकर मर जाते हैं. Earthquakes crack and break dams resulting in floods. Earthquakes have caused a lot of damage in Bhuj and Ahmedabad, Gujarat and Uttarakhand northern mountains. Railway lines break, roads get damaged and house collapse. Earthquakes destroy many cities of the world every year, causing widespread death and destruction. Japan experiences the maximum number of earthquakes in the world. Every year it experiences hundreds of minor and major earthquakes. People in Japan do not make permanent houses due to fear of destruction. मीन्स जो जापान के लोग हैं वो अपने परमानेंट हाउस ही नहीं बनाते इस डर से कि फिर से अर्थक्वेक आएगा, फिर से हमारा घर टूट जाएगा. अर्लियर दे मेड पेपर वॉल्स फॉर देयर होम्स एंड कैप्ट मिनिमम फर्नीचर इन विलेजेस. They build houses of wood and bamboo. While building in cities uses special earthquake-proof technology. These cause less harm when they fall due to the earthquake. What happened? मतलब जापान में पहले तो लोग घर ही नहीं बनाते थे परमानेंट. अब क्या होता है कि वो घर बनाते हैं, एक तो उसमें फर्नीचर बहुत कम होता है और कुछ ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ की जाती है कि जिसकी वजह से अगर अर्थक्वेक आए तो घर को, बिल्डिंग को ज़्यादा नुकसान ना हो. नेक्स्ट इज एपिडेमिक्स. मोस्टली एपिडेमिक्स आर द पोस्ट कैलेमिटी इम्पैक्ट्स. पोस्ट कैलेमिटी मीन्स उस डिजास्टर के बाद, उस प्रॉब्लम के बाद जो रिजल्ट्स निकल कर आते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड पोस्ट कैलेमिटी इम्पैक्ट्स. एपिडेमिक्स अकर व्हेन डिजीज स्प्रेड ऑन अ very wide scale and cause a large number of deaths in a short period of time. Diseases like cholera, gastroenteritis, measles, plague and malaria break out as epidemics due to unhygienic conditions after disasters like floods, heavy rainfall and earthquake. Means flood के बाद, heavy rainfall, after flood, after heavy rainfall or after earthquake, there are so many disease spread like cholera, measles, plague and malaria, and when they spread at a large number, to a great extent, these becomes epidemics. Right? We will read further chapter later. Right?